Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting essentials ready. Sign into GitHub and fork the CS50 repository so you own a copy. Once done, confirm Codespaces is available on your account. GitHub sometimes requires enabling it in settings, so make sure to check. Now, open the forked repo page and click the Code button, then select Create Codespace on Main. That launches a cloud development container. This immediate action gets you into the environment. Next, we'll configure the workspace and dependencies. Once the Codespace starts, pick an appropriate machine. Small saves resources for quick edits, medium gives more CPU for compilation. You will see a build log. Watch it closely because the Docker file installs needed tools. If the repo includes a setup script or dev container, JSON, run, or allow it, that installs libraries like Clang, Make, or Python dependencies. Make sure to open the integrated terminal and test a simple compile or run command so you verify the environment matches CS50 expectations. Finish by compiling and running a small CS50 example to confirm everything works. This verifies Clang, Make, or Python are present. Commit any configuration tweaks and push them to your fork so your setup persists. If something goes wrong, inspect the container build logs for missing packages, then try increasing the machine size or rebuilding the codespace. Often a rebuild fixes transient network or installation errors. If issues persist, reset the dev container and rerun setup to recreate a clean environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.